I forgot to show on the other video on the electric headlight conversion on the 1967 Thunderbird how to orient these actuators to get them out. So I'm not going to put it back in and take it out. It's too much trouble. But this will be a clue anyway. So once it's undone, it'll be, you want it oriented about like this, as it's all the way down at the bottom underneath this flange. I actually had to bend this up just slightly here. Little flange with a pliers. Just have to disconnect your headlight wires, move all that out of the way, and then once you then you can finally get it to, might have to pry it over into this area, but still in here, but not get it from here to there first, and then from there out at this location. And once you get it sort of right here, it'll be a little bit further down, then you'll probably have to pry it with a screwdriver or something along in here, along in there, to and get it just oriented right with this flange to get it out. So it'll come out, but it's a interference fit to get it out. But then it will pop out. But first get it from where it's located, oriented, and then get it pushed over there, and then from there get it out this way. It won't come out on this side, or it will not come out straight on top. It has to go that way first into that area, and then up. Hope that helps.